Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of the latest tech gear. Today, we're diving deep into the world of CPU cooling with the Arctic Liquid Freezer 280. But before we get started, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon, so you never miss our expert reviews. Let's kick things off by introducing the Arctic Liquid Freezer 280. This cooler is making waves with its impressive features and cooling capabilities. Quality is paramount, and Arctic knows it. They've upped their quality assurance game, even marking their products with a QC sticker. Plus, it's fully compatible with Intel's new Alder Lake processors, socket LGA1700. When it comes to keeping your CPU cool, this cooler stands out. It boasts a more efficient cool plate, pump, and radiator, setting it apart from other AIO water coolers. Your CPU will thank you. Don't forget the VRM cooling. The Arctic Liquid Freezer 280 comes with a 40mm VRM fan that can keep your voltage regulator temperatures up to 15 degrees Celsius lower. Ideal for overclocking and demanding scenarios. Tired of cable clutter? Arctic has you covered. They've integrated the PWM cable of the fans into the sleeve tubing. So, you'll only see one short cable from the pump to the motherboard, keeping things neat and tidy. Let's talk about quietness. Arctic developed a 40mm diagonal fan specifically for the Liquid Freezer 2. It's not only quiet but also durable. It can cool your voltage converters and socket area almost silently, providing up to 15 degrees Celsius of temperature relief. When it comes to radiators, Arctic doesn't compromise. They use 38mm thick radiators with a high fin density, increasing the cooling surface area. Water's heat capacity ensures a lower temperature increase, even during turbo mode. Now, let's dive into the nitty-gritty. This cooler is compatible with a range of Intel and AMD sockets, and there's no need to worry about RAM clearance. It operates in temperatures from 0 to 40 degrees Celsius. To sum it up, the Arctic Liquid Freezer 280 is a game-changer in the world of CPU coolers. It's efficient, quiet, and packed with innovative features to keep your system running smoothly. It's no wonder it won the European Hardware Award 2022 FEAT for the best CPU water cooler. That wraps up today's review of the Arctic Liquid Freezer 280. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. And of course, stay tuned for more exciting tech reviews right here on Product Critique. Until next time, stay cool, tech enthusiasts.